Have you ever wondered what's really lurking on your pillow? Well, prepare to be shocked, because what you don't see can definitely hurt you. Let's dive into the microscopic world and uncover the terrifying reality of what actually lives on your pillow. Your pillow isn't just a fluffy cloud, it's a bustling ecosystem, primarily home to dust mites. These tiny creatures, invisible to the naked eye, thrive in warm, humid environments, making your pillow the perfect breeding ground. They feed on dead skin cells, which we shed constantly throughout the night. A single gram of dust can contain thousands of dust mites, and your pillow can house hundreds of thousands. But dust mites themselves aren't the real problem. Their waste products, called excrement, are what trigger allergies and asthma. This waste contains proteins that can cause sneezing, watery eyes, and difficulty breathing. As you toss and turn, you're essentially breathing in a cocktail of dust mite feces. Gross, right? But that's not all. Pillows can also harbor a variety of other unpleasant guests. Mold and mildew can grow in pillows, especially if they're not properly aired out or if you tend to sweat a lot. These fungi release spores into the air, which can also trigger allergic reactions and respiratory problems. Bacteria also find their way into your pillow, brought in from your hair, skin, and even your mouth. Staphylococcus aureus, a common type of bacteria, can cause skin infections. And then there are the remnants of your own body. Dead skin cells, sweat, saliva, and even hair accumulate on your pillow over time, creating a feast for dust mites and other organisms. So how can you protect yourself? Regular cleaning is key. Wash your pillowcases at least once. A week in hot water to kill dust mites and remove allergens. Consider using pillow protectors, which act as a barrier against dust, mites, and other organisms. And every few months, wash your pillows themselves, following the manufacturer's instructions. Airing out your pillows regularly can also help to prevent the growth of mold and mildew. Finally, consider replacing your pillows every 1 to 2 years. Even with regular cleaning, pillows accumulate a lot of nasty stuff over time. So the next time you snuggle up on your pillow, remember what's really living there. It's a scary thought, but by taking a few simple steps, you can create a healthier sleep environment and keep those microscopic monsters at bay.